Before you view our video, please take a few moments to subscribe our Better Food and Health Ideas channel by clicking subscribe button and tap a bell icon, so you are a first person to know when we post our new video. In this video we will go over the most common foods that can get you in trouble when you are trying to lose weight. It doesn't matter what diet plan you are on, if you are eating these foods you are going to struggle. Junk food is a scary mix of fat, sugar, and chemical additives that give it a great taste, negatively affect the good bacteria in your gut, and that leads to obesity. If you're a big fan of mayonnaise, then you should know that this condiment contains at least 80% fat. Foods fried in oil work like a sponge that absorbs saturated fats that trick your brain, and so you just keep shoving food in your mouth without even noticing it. The foods you eat can have a major effect on your weight. Some help with weight loss, and some are just terrible. In this video I list several foods to avoid when trying to lose weight. Potato chips contain extra flavoring, additives, fat, and sugar. Out of all the fat-causing offenders, potato chips are the worst. Along with a dangerous amount of sodium, a bag of chips is also high in trans fat. This leads to obesity along with heart disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Go for healthy snacks like celery, kale chips, dark chocolate or apple slices with peanut butter. Processed meats. Obesity and weight gain is directly linked to processed meats, which include sausages, salami, beef jerky, and canned meat. They contain many different combinations of irresistible and delicious flavors, additives, and fat, which usually makes people overeat. They lack fiber, protein, vitamins, and other essential nutrients. So if you are looking to ditch a few pounds, then processed meats is a no-go. Refined grains. Pasta, bread, and pizza are delicious. However, most of them are made out of refined grains. Refined grains are high on the glycemic index and can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to weight gain and type 2 diabetes. One study found that eating just 2 slices of white bread per day was linked to a 40% greater risk of weight gain. In the process of refinement, the bran and germ of the grain are removed, along with most of the nutrients. But don't worry, you can still eat grains, just make sure they're whole. All sodas and sugary drinks, diet or not. What goes for sugar goes for sugary drinks as well. If sugar is just empty calories, then sugary drinks are liquid calories. The problem with these is that we don't really detect them. You can drink a whole meal's worth of calories and still be hungry. A single bottle of Coca-Cola only has 184 calories, but even if you just have 1 or 2 a day, they add up quickly. The best solution is to simply cut them out completely and drink water. I hope you learned something new today. If you like our video, please give us a thumb up and share it with your friends. More tips, please subscribe Better Food and Health Ideas channel. Please also check out link below 7 minutes ageless body secret, the link also inside our description area.